Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Snapchat. To know how to fix how to solve Snapchat restrictions, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will search about this window of Snapchat app. When you'll find it, you will go to click on for stop and you click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.